How to make handkerchief skirt. Get 4 yards, fold that 4 yards into 4 yards, fold it into 4 at the one side of it, exactly the place I'm marking. You take your waist circumference, round waist divided by 3.14, you mark it round. Then you take the length of the skirt. I took 35. You take at this both side, look at, you mark the length, you folded it like this, bringing the other length to join to this other side, the longest part. Then you draw a line following that triangle, draw a line, open it back. You can see that it really is coming out. Then this is the length, this one is the length too. So this other side is the handkerchief. Look at the handkerchief, this side, and the other side that we draw line is also the handkerchief. So all you need to do now is to cut out. You cut out that place that is marked with chalk. So from this place to the end is the length of the skirt, while the other place that looks like a triangle is the handkerchief part. So pick up your scissors right now, trim out. Then I trim out this part. So you see that when you turn it to the other side, you get a square shape. That's exactly a square shape. Then I wrote square. Then in that square, you trim out the side you have marked your waist. Then you open it. Open the other side that is closed, the other side of the fabric that is closed. Then you've gotten your handkerchief skirt. Look at it, very fine. Then open the other side. Take it to your machine. Join the both of them, the both side. When you join the both side, it will just be like round. You join this side and join the other side. Then you have gotten your handkerchief skirt. So you now have to switch it to any part you want the handkerchief to be. If you want the handkerchief side, the longest part to be at your side, you're now in the right position to switch it after you have joined the two fabrics. Look at it. So look at this side, that's the handkerchief. Very easy to do. So all you need is 4 yards of fabric, 4 yards. You can decide to, in that Ankara that is 6 yards, you share it into 2 yards. Then bring out the 4 yards. The first 4 yards, fold it into 2, keep on the floor. The second 4 yards, fold it into 2 again. Keep on top of the first one you have folded. Thanks for watching. See you again in our next video when we'll teach you how to cut that blazer there, right there. Thank you. Bye.